welcome to our channel. Today we visited Mochinut in San Antonio, Texas. They offer delicious rice donuts and rice corn dogs. So let's get some food to try. The flavor of donuts changes every day. Today we got one of each kind, which is half a dozen.
We have a potato.
The rice dogs are a set menu item and they offer a variety of condiments to spice up your dog. Today we got the hot Cheeto half and half and the crispy potato half and half.
We had the other game, but that was Saturday. That was a really good one. I love the way she went to favorite thing to see. What else did I get? Did you want any toppings with that? I don't know which ones you got. Popping pearls, jellies, different types of boba. I like the straw.
The hot Cheeto rice dog was delicious, spicy, cheesy, gooey, amazingly oily, and flavorful. Look at that cheese pull. The potato rice dog was oh so crunchy, so crispy, so cheesy, so gooey. Look at that cheese pull. The hot dog part is so savory, bouncy, and delicious. Let's try the blueberry lemon rice donut. This was my favorite. Sweet and citrusy, the blueberry flavor came through and the texture is so chewy and soft. Next is the churro rice donut. The sugar is sweet and crunchy. It added great texture to the rice donut. Let's give the mango coconut a try. Tropical glaze with shredded coconut, a nice delicious balance. This is the bacon maple. Maple is overpowering and not enough bacon flavor. This was unfortunately our least favorite. The texture is unlike any other donut because this one is made from rice flour. It's so soft and airy, yet stretchy and chewy at the same time. How did they manage to make mochi more delicious? By frying it. The strawberry funnel had a strawberry glaze and powdered sugar, yet was a little underwhelming. It needed more toppings. Last but not least, the stripes rice donut. The design was cute, but just tasted like a regular glazed donut. Perfect for the original glazed lovers. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you.